If you're a real estate investor, managing your income can get complicated quickly. Whether you're tracking rental properties, payments, or expenses, using accounting apps to manage real estate income is a game changer. Stick with me to learn how to streamline your process with just a few easy steps that will save you hours. First, let's talk about getting set up with an accounting app. Many real estate investors make the mistake of manually tracking everything on paper or in spreadsheets. That method works, but it's inefficient and prone to errors. Using a dedicated accounting app allows you to automatically track income, expenses, and even generate reports, which saves you time and reduces mistakes. Start by choosing the right accounting app. I've tried the most popular ones, and while there are many great options out there, the software we'll be using today is tailored for real estate income management. It lets you import transactions directly from your bank, categorize expenses, and track income without having to manually enter everything. It even syncs with your properties and allows for easy categorization, whether you're dealing with rental income, maintenance costs, or other related expenses. Now, once you've set up the software, connect your bank account and credit cards to the app. This will allow the software to automatically import transactions. For real estate income, you'll want to ensure your payments from tenants are properly categorized under rental income. The software will also help you split larger payments if they cover multiple properties or categories. One of the best features of these apps is the ability to create and track invoices. If you're managing multiple rental units or properties, generating an invoice for each tenant is quick and easy. You can even schedule recurring payments or send reminders for overdue payments, all within the app. Next, let's talk about expenses. It's essential to track everything, from property repairs to management fees. This software lets you link receipts, categorize each expense, and even add notes so that you have a complete record. Over time, you'll get a clear picture of where your money is going, and you'll be able to generate tax-ready reports at the end of the year. For tax purposes, the app simplifies things further. It will automatically generate reports such as profit and loss statements, making tax season a breeze. You'll have everything you need for your accountant or to file yourself all in one place. And if you ever need to adjust or add something, it's a simple click. Another benefit of using an accounting app is scalability. As you acquire more properties, managing your income can become overwhelming. With an app, however, you can handle multiple properties under one account, and the software will automatically track each one's income and expenses separately, making everything organized and easy to monitor. Here's a key takeaway. Managing real estate income with an accounting app not only saves time, but it also keeps you organized and makes tax season easier. You're reducing errors and automating a big part of your financial tracking. Let's quickly recap. Choose the right software, connect your bank accounts, categorize your rental income and expenses, track invoices, and generate reports. With the right accounting app, managing your real estate income becomes efficient and stress-free. Before you go, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we've been using today. You'll find the link in the description below. This offer is only available to my channel viewers, so make sure you don't miss out. That's it for today. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next one.